Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Now in this video I'm going to review the machine learning scientist with Python track from DataCamp. Now I already finished this track after I took the data scientist in Python track. Now you can check the review of that path on my channel. I'm gonna link the video in description. Now I would highly recommend that you guys take that track first and then you come here, because in this track is immediately gonna start with supervised learning. You should know Python, pandas, matplotlib, seaborn, data cleaning, statistics, all the stuff in order for you to become a machine learning scientist. So they did not put that course or those courses here. So I would highly recommend you guys go to the data science. Let's just go together here. I'm gonna go back, and then we have a data scientist. Yeah, this one. See, in data science with Python track, you're gonna learn introduction to Python, intermediate to Python, and then some data manipulation using pandas package, and some project and skill assessments, merging in data, visualization with matplotlib and seaborn, and some advanced topics in Python, and then another core skill assessment, and then intermediate data visualization with seaborn, and introduction to importing data in Python, intermediate. So all these skills you should know it even if you are a machine learning scientist. So I would highly recommend you guys first take this track and then you start the machine learning scientist with Python track. It's immediately gonna start with supervised learning and unsupervised learning. By the way, these two courses are already explained in the data scientist track. Here you can see it's here. Yeah, supervised learning with scikit-learn, unsupervised learning in Python. It's here. Supervised learning with scikit-learn and unsupervised learning in Python. So if you listen to me and you take the first track, before you enroll to this track, you take this track, data scientist in Python. So the first courses will be already checked, and then you're gonna have a skill assessment of some basic fundamentals of machine learning in Python, and then you're gonna start with some advanced topics like linear classification in Python. This one is also explained in the data science with Python track. So this one will be checked. Let's just click here and see what are they teaching us here. And then every 2-3 courses they give you another skill assessment, which is good. Let's see. Yeah, linear classification in Python. Basically gonna be some support vector machine, loss functions, logistic regression, and support vector machine. So all these 4 topics will be explained in this course. So after that we have gradient boosting with XGBoost, and we have cluster analysis. Again, this course is already explained in this track here, cluster analysis in Python. So after this course you're going to take dimensionality reduction. You're going to learn PCA, I think, which is principal component analysis. Let's check again because it's been a while since I took this course. No, feature extraction, feature selection. Oh, feature engineering, they're explaining it, feature engineering stuff. Nice. So after that we have pre-processing for machine learning in Python, and then we have some time series, feature engineering. There is another course for it. Model validation, there's another course for it, which is good. And then they explain NLP, which is natural language processing. Things like sentiment analysis, text modeling, not text modeling. What was that? I forgot. TensorFlow, introduction to deep learning with Keras, advanced deep learning with Keras, image processing in Python. So basically in machine learning track they just immediately start with machine learning algorithms and explain in details, and then they get start with NLP and deep learning. and image processing with keywords. These are a really great courses, explain everything in details. Then we have PySpark for big data, my PySpark, machine learning with PySpark, and then we have the winning Kaggle competition in Python. It basically tells you how to deal with Kaggle competitions, how to compete, and how to make an account and stuff like this. So now I don't know why they didn't add the introduction to Python and intermediate, because I mean this is like an advanced track, so they should I mean in my opinion, it's better for you to take this track first, as it takes you from literally from zero, and then you come here to this track. Now in machine learning, I was hoping to get some math courses like calculus, linear algebra, statistics, but unfortunately there was no course in math in this track, so I might give it like 3.5 or 4 out of 5, because I mean it does cover a lot of things, but it doesn't cover the main stuff, which is math. Math is very important in machine learning, and they should have included the Python courses in this track. But again, if you really want to learn, first take the data science with Python track, and then take this track. And make sure to check other videos on my channel. I reviewed all the path from DataQuest. So thank you so much. Please like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.